paper umbrella stuck in a cafe jar. Then little handle blue paint shine like a falling star. You said keep it for luck now, like luck was something small. I tucked it in my backpack and forgot it by the hall. Then rain came hard on the market stones. I heard your laugh in my phone alone. Hold that paper umbrella, hold it up, hold it up. When the sky goes heavy, we can still fill your cup. At the bus stop you were humming with a pear on your wrist. We split one sweet orange and the skin was cold as mist. A pigeon stole my sandwich. You said let it go. Then you pointed at the puddles like they were a show. Now rain comes soft, then it comes down strong.
Thank you for watching. Please share this video to your cactus loving community. And don't forget to subscribe my channel.